guys, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the Ugly Stepsisters on Dress Impress. This is like a new, it's not really new, it came out this year, a new movie. It's very gorish and, well, did you guys like the movie? Let me just remove everything except for the lashes. I used this hair in this color here. Did I use this one or this one? I think I used this color, FFD 9A0. For the gloves I use this one here in no fur, in this color, and I think I did silk. For the outfit, let's use the witch top here, color it this color, sorry, in denim. 1B647, this 2 in denim. Then I did this for the stitches, 11472E, and I think I did this, and then I did the same color here. For the sleeves I used this one in just sleeves in this color, and then for the skirt I used this one. Where is it? Hold on. Hello? Oh, oops, that's not the skirt. This one in the only skirt toggle, and I think I did this green, wait, yeah, and then I did this yellow, and then this yellow again. Okay, this darker green, sorry. And then I think I used the white skirt here in this color, and then I also used, what else did I use? I'm like forgetting. Oh, I did use the VIP item, which is this bow here. I did skirt only. Then I colored it this yellow and then this green. And then I also used this flower skirt. This one. And first this green, A6D27A. And then this peach color, FFB09B in silk, and then silk in this color, FFE0C7, and I kind of just used that for the rest. Okay. And then, oh, did she use a crown? I'm not sure. I used these shoes. Whoa. In yellow. I actually don't know what shoes she wears, but I'm gonna just use this one in yellow. And then I also use this choker in green. And then what else? Oh, the lashes are from Coats here in the third toggle. Scale it to 0.4. And I think she wears kind of like a headband crown sort of thing, so we're just going to add that on as well. It's like a goldish beige color. I don't know what it's called, like bronze? Not really, it's actually like more pale like this. I'm like looking at the reference and it's like a little bit more pale like that. 69563B, and I'm just going to adjust it a little. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.